Oh, obsessed. I'm obsessed. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Seyi and this is the Daily Seyi, where we talk about all things life, beauty, style, etc, etc. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in and being a real one. Today's video, we are going to be talking about my Forvr Mood candles. If you're unfamiliar, Forvr Mood is the lifestyle aesthetic brand by none other than Jackie Aina herself. Beauty, makeup guru extraordinaire, influencer, you already know the vibes. And their first launch was with candles. And then I think they also launched a pillowcase and a satin headband, headscarf situation. Of course, when she said she was releasing a brand, I was like, girl, bet. She said it wasn't makeup, which I was actually pretty excited about because I'm like, I feel like there's just so much makeup in the world right now. It's just like, give us something else. Here they are. Oh, when you open the box, it just smells so good. Wow. I am a candle person. Like, I have candles quite literally all around my apartment because I just love candles. When Bath & Body Works has their little candle sale, I stock up. If I'm at a random store and I see a good smelling candle, I'll get it. Like, I just love candles. I just love the art of lighting the candle. It just feels like an act of self-care that I give myself, and I allow myself to just sit and be cool. Watch the flicker of the flame. Contemplate my life. What am I doing? Why am I doing it? When you light a candle, it makes you really reflective. And then she said she was going to release 4 candles and they will all be in a gift set, or you could buy them individually. So I already budgeted and told myself I would buy the gift set. And I figured she had not released the price at the time. So I figured the price would be like a little more pricier. I mean, comparable to Bath & Body Works. I think Bath & Body Works candles retail for like $28. During their sale, it's like $8, which is why I tried to buy it then. But these, I think, retail for $35 each, which is more on like, I guess, like the luxury side of a candle. But don't even trip, because that's like mid-tier. There are luxury candles out there that retail for like $8 for one candle. So this is definitely a decent price, especially for the packaging, smell. I mean, I've already smelled everything. Like the packaging, I got it like a week ago. So it cost around, I think the gift set was $125, and then plus shipping and tax, my total came out to $140. So yeah, you know, a pretty little penny for some candles. But you know what? Sometimes in life, the packaging, honestly, blown out the park. Like, I expected no less from somebody like Jackie. So I'm just going to pull one out just so y'all can see what they all look like. So essentially it is a, let's see, what are the details? It is a 10-ounce candle, and I believe it's manufactured here in Los Angeles. I think she sold a snippet of her at like the manufacturing plant. And the casing itself is like sturdy glass, and it's kind of like this matte feel. You know what I'm talking about, that matte feel? I mean, the cover has the brand name on it. It's kind of like this, you know, old gold. And then the candle itself just looks really bomb. And I feel like I love this candle holder because honestly, once I'm done with all these candles, I can use this stuff for like stuff. I don't know, hair ties, bobby pins that seem to just disappear in a day after you use them. Just little trinkets I can put in each of these candle holders, and I feel like that's, you know, giving me bang for my buck. So since we already have Left on Red here, Left on Red, oh my God. Holy wow. Okay. Okay. I just love the color, this lavender lilac. Oh, obsessed. I'm obsessed. So the top is tropical, the heart is coconut and coconut milk, and then the base is caramel. Literally, when I say 3 things that I am obsessed with, I love coconut milk, I love coconut, I freaking love caramel. If I can just take a bath in it, I would. And then tropical fruit, in my eyes, that's like mangoes, pineapples, combined with like caramel. Oh, ma'am. Hello. Honestly, I think Left on Red is one of my favorites. I mean, there's only 4, but like this is like top 2. Then we have Matcha Business, which I think is so cute. Does it match? No, it's a different green. I thought it matches my shirt. Matcha Business gives me more like coffee scents, which I guess sort of makes sense because matcha is kind of in that kind of like caffeinated tea region. And so it has hazelnut coffee, almond milk, and honey as the top layer. The heart is coffee and lavender, and the base is vanilla. You really smell the hazelnut coffee, obviously, because it's on the top. If you're the type of person who's into more like muted, I think Matcha Business does smell really good. It's not the first scent I would necessarily gravitate towards, but all that said, that doesn't mean it smells bad. Like, it does not smell bad. It's just not my preferred scent. But again, it smells really good. I like tropical and almost perfumey, just a bit, like slight perfumey flavors, scents. That's kind of my steez. I feel like once I start burning it and I get to like the coffee lavender heart, oh, I can already imagine that's gonna smell bomb. I'm actually surprised that lavender isn't like a scent that's in Left on Red. I think I just assumed that it would be, but that's fine. And then we have Caked Up. Caked Up. That's not a song. Caked Up. If you are not like a sweet person, you probably might find this candle a little too sweet. But for me, for Seyi, this smells so good. What? Okay, let me get to the details. So the top is roasted pistachio, almond cream, and pineapple. Wow. Who knew? See? You see what I'm talking about? That pineapple tropical and then that roasted like almond cream. Like, do you see what I'm talking about? Kind of like that milky scent with the tropical fruit scent. The heart is honey, jasmine, and coconut, and the base is vanilla bean and musk. This smells delicious. It smells delicious. It's almost like you want to eat it. So I get why it's called Caked Up. I understand now. It's not giving you vanilla cake, birthday cake, or, you know, those super, you know, Bath and Body Works has those super like, this is a birthday cake that's literally just been infused in a candle. It's not giving me that jacket. So that is Caked Up. And then finally, the top contender for everybody, because everybody was talking about this one, is a cuffing season. And so it was the first one I smelled when I first got the package, and I understand the hype. Y'all, Jesus, oh my God. I've never smelled a candle that's ever smelled like this. I've never smelled the smell, ever. And I've had quite a bit of candles. Wow. I thought this is going to be one that's always out of stock. I already know. So the top is Fresh Ozone. I don't know what that means, but I like it. Fresh Ozone, salty lemon, and mineral citrus. Once again, with those kind of tropical, very like fruity scents, elements. I think that's why I'm really loving it. The heart is iris, violet, and jasmine. And then the base is Douglas fir, rainforest moss, and white cedar. Now, this candle is definitely giving me nature vibes. And I think I mentioned earlier, I like kind of like more perfumey kind of scents in some candles. Not super perfumey. And I feel like this one is giving me more of that perfumey scent. I like more like flowery kind of scent when I wear a perfume. And so this is giving me that, but it's mixing like milky. There's a milkiness that's going on in there. So it's not overpowering. This is a candle that you would light, like, you know, when you're kind of just, I mean, you could light it by yourself, to be honest. That's what I'm doing. But it gives you a mood. There's a mood going on. That is cuffing season. That is cuffing season. Again, all these candles are 10 ounces, so you get a pretty good amount. There's nothing wrong with any of these candles. There's nothing, absolutely nothing wrong. Let's rank my favorite candles from 1 to 4. So you probably know, just to buy how dramatic I was with cuffing season, that cuffing season is number 1. Woo! You go, cuffing season. Good job. And then next we'll have Left on Red. Oh, this is a vibe. So this is number 2. And then number 3 will be Caked Up. I feel like Caked Up and Left on Red could low-key be a tie, but you know, I'll put Left on Red on top. Yeah, Caked Up will be number 3. I mean, the smell is still bomb. And then number 4 is Matcha Business. Not because it doesn't smell good, but just because it's not one that I would normally gravitate towards. This reminds me of work for some reason. Not in a bad way, but it just reminds me of like getting ready for work. So this is probably something I would light in the morning to get my day started. I'm into it. Okay, y'all. Well, that's my review of Forvr Mood candles. And hopefully when they release some more products, guess who will be buying? is I. So Jackie, congrats to you on the launch of your brand. I appreciate y'all for watching per the usual, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Until next time, bye.